Supposed to be giving away this 1991 300ZX twin turbo, but as you can see, it does not have a motor, and here's why. So far we've done a lot to this car, such as a timing belt, clutch and flywheel, injectors, and as you can see, we have a lot more parts to install. I'm Fastlane Doug, and this is part one of our ultimate Z32 giveaway build. Before we start any of the intense modifications that we're going to do to this car, we're going to start with one of the most vital things that you will want to do to ensure this car is ready for those modifications, and that's going to be a compression check. To begin, we're going to remove the balance tube, coil packs, and spark plugs on all 6 cylinders. Now that we've completed a compression test, that gives us the green light to go ahead and proceed with all the modifications that we're going to do to this vehicle. And that being said, first up, we'll be attacking the clutch.
What are you doing right now?
Pulling this great engine out.
Why are we pulling it?
To do even greater things to it.
What are we doing today?
I'm gonna spend some time doing some timing stuff. That was corny.
That was great.
Not really any accessories, but fan, crank pulley, timing covers. It is the best part. You usually have that, you know, that effect. Dang, how much that came out with it? I know maybe doesn't happen. Oh goodness.
This is how an engine works, kids. It looks like it's alive. It's alive! It's time.
It is time. Yep. So it's time to move on to something else. That do be it. For now. Time to go home.